Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at another opportunity that will give you a chance to make money on Bybit. Alright, so let's quickly dive into that. But before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this content and also make money from it. So what do you need to do? All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the Bybit end, or you take a step straight to the notification center and look for Smile. Smile is up for grab. Stake MTN, stake MNT, and USDT to earn Smile tokens for free on Bybit launch pool. So navigate yourself quickly to the launch pool and locate where exactly is Smile, right? Because this is what we'll be looking at today, and it is something new on the Bybit launch pool. So dive into it now and start making a lot of fun for yourself. So let's quickly dive into that. We're gonna go into click to make from the 21 million Smile. So since the mile is not opening, and then you can also keep trying. When it opens, all you just need to do is to follow the procedure of our previous video to stake. And the next opportunity here tonight is soar. Soar into spaces, fly, earn and unlock social joys. This commences November 1st, 2024. Join us on an exciting adventures as we soar into spaces together. Rally your friends to play the games and earn spaces points, unlocking exclusive Web3 benefits along the way. All you just need to do is to join this. Refer or you show your friends to play the games, and you earn spaces points. Okay, let's see the season 1. The season 1 begins October 31st and it will end on the October 14th. All you just need to do is to go through it carefully and see how this really works, and dive into it to join the spaces and start earning the spaces point for yourself. It's a fly to earn, farming mode. Visit the home page, click on the launch to farm. Okay, click on the launch button to farm. Dodge mode, head to the tax page to fly your aircraft while dodging. Invite a friend. If you invite your friends to join the game at any time during each season to earn space points together, simply click the invite button in order to what? To invite your friend. And here says complete your task. If you connect your wallet, you will earn 1000 points. If you follow it on X, you will earn 200 points. If you share the X post, you earn 200 points as well. Note, each Telegram account can earn points for each task only once. 2 ways to boost your points. Achieve referral milestone for permanent boost. Unlock high point boost as you reach this referral milestone. 5 successful referees, 1.2 times point boost. 10 successful referee gets what? 1.4 times point boost. 50 successful referee, 3 times point boost maximum. Unlock supply boxes for more. So all you just need to do is to refer your friends for these activities so that you can keep earning. I'm going to go into also drop my referral links at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. So let's quickly begin how this works. So come to this place here so that we can begin. Click on join spaces. If you click on join spaces, exercise patience for it to navigate you. Now it has navigated us to Bybit space. Okay, that's navigate us to Bybit space. So what do you just need to do now? What you just need to do is to click on start to begin. Click on start here to begin. So we have clicked on start. We're going to wait for it to begin. Now this is what it shows. The stars are calling and a cosmic journey awaits. Are you ready to explore the fattest reaches of space, dodge meteors, and uncover the mysteries? Alright, so quickly navigate yourself here to click on launch. In order to launch, click on start. Bybit spaces. Let's see how it works. Now it's loading up. You wait carefully. Exercise patience for it to load up. Your daily reward here, I say congratulations. Your daily reward here is 6. So ticket of today is 6. Click to continue. Let's see the points. So you're going to go into launch to start farming. Okay, so you're going to go into click on launch. If you launch, you wait carefully. Now it has started farming. Okay, it has started farming for you. So you will come back when this time is exhausted. You will come back when this time is exhausted. Okay, so the moment this time is exhausted, the farming will be done. Then you can click on the farming again in order to begin the farming. Okay, so what do we need to check again? We need to check this task and see what exactly is here for us to claim. It says Bybit Web3, your crypto hack and gateway to Web3. If you subscribe to the channel, you get 200 points. If you follow on X, you also get 200 points. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that to see. We're going to go into subscribe to the channel. We have joined the channel, so let's see. We're going to go into follow on X. We're going to go into follow on X as well. Load to follow on X, then return. This is a simple activity for today. Now we have followed and now we have subscribed. This is the activity for today. So our next launch is counting here. Okay, the next launch is what is counting there. So the moment the time is done, you can launch again and continue farming for yourself. Alright, so this is very simple. All you just need to do is to refer your friends. If you do not have a Bybit account, I will drop an account for you. And if you do have a Bybit account, I'll also drop a referral for this for you so that you can just join and start earning for yourself. Okay, so you can see the next launch is counting down. There's still 6 of 6 free launch for us. And don't forget, for each launch you make, you will make a lot of spaces points from it. Alright, so let's return to the dashboard. Now you have seen what we have secured in just few seconds. So I just started this and I want you to start with me. Let's begin this together and let's keep diving and keep making this point together that can be later converted into USDT for withdrawal. Okay, let's look at the friends. In this place, this is where you get your referral links to refer your friends. Refer your friends now and keep earning a lot of points. I'm going to drop my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video, and also at the comment section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up and start making send for yourself. So you're going to click on the invite friends. After clicking on the invite friends, you're going to copy your links, then you share with friends. Okay, so this would brings me to the end of this amazing video. Please, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can earn from this amazing project. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. So rally your friends for extra rewards. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.